So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at WhatsApp top new features for the year 2023. You heard me right. In the year 2023, WhatsApp has released many new features, some of which are pretty exciting and very useful as well. Let's begin. I have WhatsApp accounts on both the cell phones that you see here. And for this tutorial, what we will be trying to do is simulate each of those new features using both these accounts. Now, the first of the features that I find pretty exciting is having the capacity to edit send messages. Now, once I send a message here, so say I send a message and you can see a message has gone. Now, even before the recipient has read it or whatever, what I can do is I can go ahead and keep the message holded and here tap on edit and I can change the message. So I have the power of doing this only for 30 minutes. So within 30 minutes, in case you decide to edit the message, you can go ahead and edit the message. The recipient of the message won't come to know about the earlier instance of the message, which makes it pretty useful. I really recommend this. Now, this feature of editing send messages obviously is only possible with updated version of WhatsApp. So go ahead and update WhatsApp so that you can use all the features that I'm about to demonstrate. Now, this is feature number 1. Feature number 2, which is long pending and was highly requested, is being able to send high definition pictures. So WhatsApp earlier, it wasn't possible. Now what you can do is tap on the attachment icon here, tap on gallery and pick up a picture which has a SD instance of it. So tap on the photo and now you will see there are certain picture options right at the top. So this HD option that you see earlier wasn't there. So WhatsApp will still send the default version in case you don't select the HD version. But if you decide to select the HD version, well, you have the option of selecting between the standard quality of 1600 into 1200 or HD quality of 4000 into 3000, like the picture HD quality. So now when you send this, well, you actually get to see a small HD appearing at the bottom, and also the recipient will also see that small HD appearing at the bottom. So feature number 2, being able to send high definition pictures and videos. Feature number 3, now you have the capacity to send quick videos as replies. So the way you do that is by simply tapping on the video icon out here. Simply tap on this. So if it is in the microphone, simply tap on this and you will see that it changes to the video icon. Now you just hold it and you can see you can record quick videos. So you can also just release it so that it gets sent. And this is how it appears to the recipient. So I will demonstrate this again. You simply need to tap on the microphone and it converts to a video icon. Simply need to hold this. Once you do this, also you will see options appearing at the bottom. You can actually just slide this and it will lock and it will keep recording. You can cancel it at any point of time and you can come back. Again, you tap on this, it becomes microphone. And this is how basically you can record quick videos and send it on WhatsApp. So this is feature number 3, being able to send quick videos as replies right now. Feature number 4, being able to lock chats. Now locking chats is different from archiving chats. So say you want to lock a certain chat, you simply need to tap on the chat, tap on the profile icon, scroll down, tap on chat lock this chat with fingerprint and just hold it and there you go. Now this chat is locked. Now this chat, if you see, will not now appear in the normal chat. You need to scroll down, tap on the lock chat folders, and that's where you get to see the lock chats. It's great for privacy and it's great for locking chats. We have an entire tutorial for this. You can go ahead and check that out. The way you access lock chat is simply by tapping on it and then it's protected by fingerprint or something. You can then go ahead and check whatever is there. You can go ahead and unlock the chat as well by simply tapping on the chat here and then wherever it says lock chat, simply go ahead and unlock this and this is how it returns back to the normal chats. So now if I see, it will come back to the normal chats. Well, the 5th feature that I'm about to demonstrate is disappearing messages, which I think is a pretty old one. When you select pictures, you have the capacity of just tapping on this one. What this means is the person who sees this photo will be able to see it now just one time, after which the photo won't be available. So sending disappearing pictures and videos was also a feature that was introduced in 2023. Now feature 6, in case you have been using like disappearing messages. There's something called as kept messages. Now the kept messages folder, what it does is, in case you find any of the messages that is there in the disappearing messages important, you can tap on those messages and prevent them from getting disappeared. So you basically use the kept in messages features like this. So you get to see the kept messages wherever you have the disappearing messages thing. So typically the way you use disappearing messages is by, like, for whichever chat you want to have the disappearing messages turned on, you go here and you can set up disappearing messages for 7 days, 24 hours, 90 days or off. What it means is whatever chats that you exchange with this particular person, they will be disappearing after the set timeline. So this is all you need to know about disappearing messages and kept messages. And the last feature under updates, now you have channels. You can go ahead and create channel. You can find channels and everything like this. Well, that's all from my side, guys. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and please share this video.